Hey everyone! Ever scroll through social media and see those bright, creative posters that just grab your attention? Or watch YouTube shorts and TikTok ads and think, wow, I wish I could make something like that. Now you can. And you don't need any fancy design or video editing skills to do it. With Canva and Canva AI, creating eye-catching posts and reels is super easy, fast, and professional. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step exactly how to make stunning content that'll wow your audience.
So let's jump right in and get started.
Everyone is on social media these days. Whether you're a content creator looking to grow your followers and likes, a business owner wanting to boost sales, a teacher or coach sharing your knowledge, a freelancer or designer showing off your talent, or even a social media manager handling multiple pages, you all have one thing in common. You need amazing, eye-catching content. And here's the good news. You don't need to be a pro designer anymore. You can make posts, reels, stories, YouTube thumbnails, ads, logos, and even animated videos all in one place. All right, so once you open Canva, this is the interface you'll see. Everything here is super simple and easy to use, even if you've never designed anything before. Right at the top, you'll find the search bar. This is where you can type what you want to create, like a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, a TikTok video, or even a presentation. Now, before you start making any post or video, it's really important to know the right size for what you're creating. Because if you don't care about the size, your post or video might not fit properly on the screen, and it just won't look good. Every platform, like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, has its own specific size for videos and posts. So always make sure you're using the correct dimensions to make your design look perfect and professional. Now that we've seen Canva's interface, let's explore one of its best features, templates. Canva gives you thousands of ready-made templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. Whether you're making a social media post, a business flyer, or even a YouTube thumbnail, you'll find a design for everything here. Just click on the Templates tab on the left side, and you'll see lots of creative options waiting for you. You can search for any type of template in the search bar, or simply explore popular categories like plan great events, happy birthday, business, grow your brand, Islamic, or social media. Let's start by exploring social media templates. Once you click on social media, you'll find thousands of ready-made templates waiting for you. These templates cover a variety of categories, so you can easily find one that fits your needs. If it's tricky to locate the perfect template, just click on Categories, and you'll instantly see organized options, making it super easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Here, all social media templates are ready to use, so you just pick the one you like and get started. Let's start with Instagram. Once you click on it, a new window will pop up, and you'll see all the templates designed specifically for Instagram. You can browse through and pick any design you prefer. The best part? These templates are fully editable, which means you can customize colors, text, images, and layouts to match your style. If you click on the Style button, you'll discover multiple style options. This lets you select the exact look you want based on your content or brand. Next, let's explore the Ready Template categories, starting with Instagram Stories. Just click on it and let's see the variety of templates available for stories. Once you click on Instagram Stories, you'll find countless ready-made templates waiting for you. You can use any template you like, or, if you prefer, click on Create a Blank Page to design your own, using your own images, videos, text, or elements. Here's another great feature in Canva. If you click on this icon, a new window opens showing all previous options like videos, presentations, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and many more. Let's go back to social media and explore more options. For example, let's try a Facebook post template. Scroll through and you'll see hundreds of templates ready to use. Pick one that fits your needs. If you want something more specific and it's hard to find among the displayed templates, just use the search bar. For instance, if I want to create a post about an offer, I can type offer here, and instantly many different offer post designs appear. I can use these for myself or even sell them as a freelancer on different platforms without any copyright issues. Let's take one template and see how we can edit it. For example, this shoe offer post. Click on the shoe image. It's fully editable. You can replace it, resize it, move it, or delete it. The text can also be edited. You can change it, resize it, or remove it. Now let's try another design that isn't in the displayed templates. Search for travel, and traveling-related posts will appear. Click on one of them. Notice how everything is editable. If you click on the airplane image, you can resize, move, replace, or delete it. The same goes for text, or even the service categories. Everything is fully customizable to suit your design needs. If you click on the filter icon, you'll see a range of colors you can use to narrow down templates. Pick any color, and Canva will show templates that use that color palette. Handy when you want a consistent look. Want to try a different mood? Click Remove Filter, then select another color to instantly see different styles. This area is called Template Style, and as the name suggests, it lets you change a template's overall color style with one click. Now, select any element on the template and look for the small shortcuts that appear nearby. Hover over each one to see what it does. There's Delete to remove the element, Duplicate to make a copy, Lock to freeze the position so it won't move, and Comment to leave notes for edits or collaborators. A quick tip about Delete. When you click Delete, you may see two options. If you delete the image only, the frame stays, so you can drop a new image into the same spot. If you delete the frame, everything inside it is removed. Let's try replacing an image now. Go to Elements and search for the image you want. For example, type Big Bus. Results appear in different types: photos, graphics, videos, so choose the type you need. To place a photo into a frame, drag and drop the image into the frame. Don't just drag it over the canvas. If it doesn't fit perfectly, you can double-click the image inside the frame to reposition or resize it. Want to copy something? Click Duplicate, and the selected element will be copied instantly. To lock an element so it can't move, click Lock. Click it again to unlock. That's it. Color filters, template styles, shortcuts, delete versus frame behavior, replacing images, duplicate, and lock. Once you get comfortable with these, editing templates becomes fast and intuitive, and your designs will look polished in minutes. Let's start by adding a new page. Now, select the text area right here, and then click here to open the font styles. Choose any font you like. Didn't find one you love? No problem. Click Upload a Font, and you can use your own custom font instantly. Now, see the little plus and minus icons? By pressing the plus icon, you can increase the text size, and by pressing the minus icon, you can make it smaller. Right over here, you can also change the text color. Pick any shade that fits your design. Next to it, there's the bold icon. Click it to make your text thick and bold. Click it again to make it light and normal. Now look, this one here is the alignment icon. Use it to adjust your text alignment, left, center, or right, whichever style you prefer. And right next to it, there's a list button. Click on it to easily create bullet or numbered lists. The next option lets you adjust letter spacing and line spacing. Click and slide to make your text tighter or wider apart. Moving on, see this next button? It controls transparency. Adjust it just like this to make your text slightly see-through or completely solid. Now, click on Effects. Here, you'll find many cool text styles with different designs. From shadows to outlines, choose whichever you like best. Scroll down a bit and you'll see two more options, Curve and None. Click on Curve and your text will bend into a round shape just like magic. You can increase or decrease the curve using this slider. If you increase it, the circle gets smaller. And if you decrease too much, the curve flips in the opposite direction. Right here, we also have the text background option. Click it, and an automatic background appears behind your text. If you shorten your text, the background shrinks. Add more text, it expands automatically. Neat, right? Now, let's go back to the template style section. Here, you'll see color shuffles. If you want to make any color more or less visible, just click that color and it will instantly become more prominent like this. Once you're happy with your post, click the Share button. Then select Download. More settings will appear. From here, you can choose the file type, video, post, PNG, or JPEG, whichever suits your project. Scroll down a bit and you'll find Select Pages. From here, you can pick specific pages to download. Click Add Page to create a new one, and right above it, you'll see the delete icon to remove a page if needed. To delete a background, simply right-click and choose Delete Background. And if you click directly on the background color, you'll see a full color palette. Choose any background you like. So far, we've been using ready-made templates, but now let's try creating a new post from scratch. Click on Elements, and in the search bar, type what you need. For example, burger. You'll see results in graphics, photos, videos, and even audio. Pick whichever you like best. Just follow these steps and you can create a post even better than mine. I'm just showing you how the process works. Now that we've learned how to make a post, let's move to making videos. Add a new page, confirm the video size, and click on Design. Here, you'll find lots of video templates and clips. Just pick any you like. Next, we'll open a new window to learn about TikTok videos. Add a new page, and TikTok templates will appear. Choose one, and it'll open inside the frame. See? You can now preview how it looks. After TikTok, we'll move to YouTube Shorts. Choose a ready-made template, change its color manually, then go to Elements again and search for Business Video. You'll see a list of short video clips. Pick your favorite and place it in the frame. Now click on Preview to watch your clip in full screen. Next, let's add another page and place any video on it. We'll now connect both pages together. Between the two pages, there's a small icon. Click it to add a transition. Choose any style you like. There are plenty to explore. After YouTube Shorts, we'll take one more new page and learn how to use logo templates. When the logo section opens, you'll see a list of ready-made designs. Just click the one you like, and it will appear in your template. You can edit everything. Change the image, the color, the font, or even the name. Basically, you can customize it fully to your style. And that's it for today's tutorial. To keep learning more, make sure to follow the channel.